How to fix Windows 10 keeps locking randomly. Let's get started. At the bottom left corner, you can find this search box. Over there, type in Edit Power Plan and search for it. Once app appears, you have to open it. After you open it, a new window will open up. Now over here, you're gonna find different options. Go ahead and click on this option. Change Advanced Power Settings, open it. Now over here, you will find different options. Head towards the option of battery. Once you find it, click on this plus icon. Under battery as well, you're gonna find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of critical battery action. Click on it. Under that, you will find two options, on battery and plugged in. For both the option, you will find the drop down. Click on that drop down. Different options will appear. Select the option of nothing. After you select the option of do nothing for both the options, click on the option of apply. And with that, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Windows 10 locking randomly. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.